Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is Universal Serial Bus or USB. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and USB and you want to learn about it. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, USB or full form Universal Serial Bus is a plug and play interface that allows a computer to communicate with peripheral and other devices. USB connected devices cover a broad range, anything from keyboards and mice to music players and flash devices, which can be used for it. USB may also send power to certain devices such as powering smartphones and tablets and charging their batteries. The first commercial release of the Universal Serial Bus was in January 1996. This industry standard was then quickly adopted by Intel, Compaq, Microsoft and other companies. All modern computers have at least one USB port nowadays. It can be used in desktop computer because a desktop computer usually has 2 to 4 ports in the front and 2 to 8 ports in the back. Laptop computer has between 1 and 4 ports on the laptop left, right and both sides. The USB connection on a tablet is located in the charging port and is usually micro USB and sometimes USB-C. Some tablets have additional ports, USB ports. Smartphones also, like tablets, the USB port on a smartphone is used for both charging and data transfer in the form of USB-C or micro USB. Now if we talk about the types of USB, friend, USB connectors come in different shapes and sizes. Most of the USB connectors, including the standard USB, mini USB and micro USB, have two or more variations of connectors. If we talk about mini USB, that this one is the mini USB, so also known as mini B, is used with digital cameras and computer peripherals. Mini USB has largely been replaced by micro USB and USB-C cables on newer devices. Micro USB, this is the micro USB, announced in 2007, was designed to replace mini USB. The two varieties of micro USB are micro A and micro B, both featuring a connector size of 6.05 multiplied by 1.8 millimeter. Although micro A connectors feature a large maximum overmold size, micro USB cables are often used to connect computer peripherals, video games, controllers and for charging smartphones. Next is the USB type C. This one is a cable is featured on most modern day Android smartphones, flagship laptops and other USB connected devices. Unlike other forms of USB connections, USB-C cables are reversible, meaning they plug in correctly regardless of whether or not they are upside down. In addition to charging batteries and transferring data, USB-C cables can display video. For this reason, some manufacturers have removed both standard USB and HDMI ports in favor of USB-C ports, as seen in MacBook series of laptops. Now friend, if we talk about the version compatibility, basically USB port version is backward compatible and forward compatible, meaning it can support any version below or above its current number. For example, devices designed with USB 1.1 and 2.0 technology work in 3.0 port as well. However, it should be noted that devices with lower versions run at their native transfer speeds, even though USB 3.0 is capable of higher. Similarly, if you connect a USB 3.1 device into a USB 2.0 port, the 3.1 device max transfer rate is limited to that of the 2.0 port. USB cables are available in multiple lengths, from a few inches to over 16 feet. The maximum length of a USB cable is 16 feet 5 inches for high speed devices and 9 feet 10 inches for low speed devices. There are different types of USB cables as well. As we already discussed that there are different transfer speed 2.0, 3.0 for USB. Similarly, there are different types of USB cables to match those speeds. You can get a USB 2.0 cable for use with a device along using USB 2.0, or a USB 3.0 cable for use with a device using USB 3.0. USB extension cables can connect to one end of a USB cable, extending the length of the connection. However, avoid extending the cable beyond the maximum USB data transfer distance of 16 feet 5 inches unless you are using a USB hub to boost the signal. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.